Hi everyone, I wanted to show you something. See this bottle cap? I saw Nikita playing with it one time and I figured I'd make a video out of this. As you can see, it's just an ordinary bottle cap, but for some reason she was messing with it. I don't know why. And I would show you the bottle it came from, but unfortunately due to copyright, I don't want to get sued or have to blur out anything in my videos, so the only thing I can tell you is it was from a bottle of tea. And it was brown tea. I'm not going to say which one, but if you can guess, you are great. Okay, Nikita, I'm not going to make you wait any longer. That was just the introduction to what this video is about. Because there's a chance they might not see you too much, the bottle cap, because you'll be flicking it around pretty soon. Okay, watch, look what happens. Well, let me place it. I don't want your claws to, get in the way. See? She was flicking it around like a hockey puck. Where did it go? Oh, it went over there. Hold on. I'm gonna have to squeeze in here to get it. Ugh. I don't want her near these cords anyway. Here. Jump right there, Nikita. It's so funny how she plays with these objects that normally you wouldn't think a cat or any other animal would, would play with. Well, that's what I like about her too. I don't have to buy expensive toys for her to be interested. If I wanted to, I didn't have to spend any money on any of that stuff, because she plays with stuff like this, and this is much cheaper. Really? That's it? Let's see if I can make her play with it longer. Yeah, she's not really good at, playing with stuff without flicking it, like, miles away. Well, what feels like it. Come on, Nikita. Don't you want to play with it a lot longer? Because you were playing with it that one time like a couple minutes. Come on. Ugh, here, maybe she doesn't see it. Okay, she's just staring at it. I don't think she's interested anymore, because she's doing that thing where she rubs against the corner. So, I'll end this video then. Bye.